Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up rate limiting in Cloudflare. To get started, open your Cloudflare account home in your browser. Once you're on the main account dashboard, you'll be ready to choose the website where you want to configure rate limiting. Rate limiting is useful because it helps control how many requests can reach a specific part of your site, which can reduce abuse and protect important endpoints. From the account home screen, click on your sample domain. This opens the dashboard for that specific website. It's important to make sure you're working in the correct domain before creating any security rules, since these settings apply to the site you currently have selected. Next, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Security. This section contains several tools that help protect your site, including features for filtering traffic and controlling suspicious behavior. After that, click on Security Rules. This is where Cloudflare lets you create and manage rules that affect how incoming requests are handled. If you've never used this area before, don't worry. You're just a few clicks away from setting up the rule structure you need. Now click Create Rule. This begins the process of making a new security rule for your site. When the rule creation options appear, choose Rate Limiting Rules. This tells Cloudflare that you want to create a rule specifically designed to limit repeated requests based on conditions you define. Once you're in the rule builder, click on the field selector. This is where you choose what part of the request Cloudflare should evaluate. In this example, select URI path. Choosing URI path means the rule will focus on a specific page or endpoint on your website rather than applying broadly to all traffic. Next, enter the sample value in the value area. This value represents the path you want the rate limit rule to watch. For example, this is typically the specific route you want to protect, such as a login page, form submission path, or API endpoint. Make sure the value matches the intended path format used on your site so the rule targets the correct traffic. At this stage, you've navigated to the correct area in Cloudflare and set the rule to evaluate a specific URI path. As you continue building your configuration, take a moment to review what you selected so far. Even small path differences can change how the rule behaves. With that, you've completed the setup steps shown in this walkthrough for starting a rate limiting rule in Cloudflare.